everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. And today, I think you know what we're on already, just by the loading screen. Doesn't say the name, but we are gonna be playing on. If you couldn't hear me, sorry, I have to be a little bit quieter because my parents are trying to sleep right now. But we're gonna be playing some MW3. If you can't tell, we're gonna be doing a shotgun challenge, which is gonna be hard. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be 2 parts of this video. So, well, actually, there might be. We're gonna do the personal thing. We're gonna do the map mission, and this is gonna be hard because there is choppers. I don't think there's any mission without choppers, is there? Yeah. Yeah, there's not one thing without choppers, so there's not one thing, not one mission without choppers, so, or else I would pick a mission without choppers. But this is one of my favorite levels. I just love this level just for some odd reason. I just think this level is awesome. And we're going to be playing this level, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and like it if you like it, and subscribe. And I guess we'll just get on it. Mission ejected. I'm a robot. Mission objective. And for you guys that are waiting, if anyone is waiting on, if anyone's waiting,
we cannot provide support at this time. Recommend you conserve ammo and hold out as long as you can.
I appreciate. Also, it's gonna be a shotgun challenge. I can only use knives and like perks. Everything else is normal. It's just that I can only use shotguns as a gun. I can't use my pistol. I can knife and shotgun. Those are like the only weapons I can use. So it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge, especially with the choppers, because the choppers are gonna, screw me over just because it's hard to kill a chopper with a shotgun. I've tried with a spaz, and I can never do it. I can just imagine how hard it is with a lower level weapon. It's pretty hard. So
Weapons armory is online. Ammo and weapons upgrades are
and I might be a little rusty because I never played this game in such a long time. And it's good to be back on it. It's a really fun game. You guys should buy it at stores. It's pretty fun. I had to do this. I don't even have enough money to buy a second shotgun yet. Wait, I gotta see what shotgun I want, though. Probably next video on this, I'm probably gonna do like a snipers only or a light machine guns only, and those cost 7,000 so I can only use knives until like 7,000. So that's gonna be a harsh like that because it's choppers.
enemy forces inbound.
Well, actually, if I ever do the light machine gun, I'm gonna have to use pistols for the choppers. So that's it. But still, hope you guys like this video. And oh god, they're coming. Just sit back and watch this video and watch me die and suffer. Yes. Dude, you said just like 10 o'clock. That's what I heard. This is what I heard. 10 o'clock. Also, instead of that part, just a quick revive, I have to shoot it, or they will kill me, and then I will just die. So that's the only time I'm gonna use a pistol, and they owned me so bad. I can't describe it. I already lost my shield and my self-revive. How did... They're OP. They're OPP. Don't take that the wrong way. Please don't. I got one of the most expensive shotguns for my level. A striker. And I'm pretty sure that's the most expensive one, isn't it? Actually, no, the AA-12 is, I'm gonna guess. AA-12 is. Actually, the only really thing the shotgun's really gonna be good for is really the dogs, because they go up close to you. I heard a ghost screaming. Oh my god! No. But, yeah. Die. I swear if I die already, I'm just gonna blow up. And we're gonna do this probably twice, and probably just like change it to a different challenge, like right away. If I die here. I will, I swear I will. It will not be a shotgun challenge, it'll be like a sniper only challenge if I die, like right over here. Trying to concentrate. Gonna talk for a while.
Air support armory now online. Close air support is available for tasking. Task Force Delta is inbound. ETA 20 seconds. Watch your fire.
And by the way, about that, the task guys I just summoned in, it's okay that they use like assault rifles and stuff because you can't change that. You cannot change what they use, or else I would change them to shotguns. But you can't change that. So yeah, sorry about that, but you can't change. You know what they should do? They should add that feature that like you can change the Delta Squad's weapons. Like once you summon it. Like, once you buy it, you pick which weapons they can use. That'd be pretty cool. I think they should add that. I'd like that. Just for, like, you know, like, YouTubers or someone that wants to do, like, a challenge or something. Like, only shotguns or only pistols or something. That's just a cool feature that I would like to use. Go, man. Let's go in the fire. Okay. Let's stop singing now.
Hostiles approaching your AO.
That's a pump action. Don't fail. I think I'm gonna get this one, because I kind of like this one. Actually, no.
Intel shows multiple enemy
Oh god.
airspace.
This is the part that I was worried that this part that I was worried that I was probably gonna fail on. Like, very horrible. For one reason. I'm gonna use this for the helicopter. I'm gonna use this for the short range people. It's a bit easier. All I gotta do is just wait right here, just wait until they come in, boop, boop, boop. You know, the only hard part is really the helicopters. It's really only like the hard thing about me doing this, like only shotguns. It's just like the people. I mean, the helicopters are just gonna suck. Or just, you know. No, get off me! You're fat. I don't talk to fat people. I kill fat people. I don't talk to them. No, you can't hit me. If he would have hit me, I would have died. I would have just lost the game right there if he would have hit me. not even doing any damage. Okay, I did damage. Okay, it's possible. Because I just, like, didn't do damage for a second for a couple of these. That's why it's gonna stink, because, like, I can't do any damage until, you know, until they, like, fly close, and I have to, like, get out of cover and start shooting at them. So that's probably what I'm gonna die on, is helicopters. I'm gonna wait until this round's over, because this is gonna be, like, really boring just watching me shoot down a helicopter for an hour. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I'm sorry I had to use a, what's it called? What was one called? I think there was, like, a UMP. Wait, I gotta look. It was a assault rifle, because it's just impossible. You cannot. It's just, yeah, MP5. No, yeah, an MP5. Because I'm sorry, it's just, like, literally just impossible to do it without one. Because it's without, like, an assault rifle. Because I'd be there for an hour, and then, you know, I'd just be there for an hour, and I would not just want to stay here for like, you know, an hour. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, but the rest of it will be shotguns only, except for the, like, that part, because, you know, I will be stuck there for an hour. Just oh god, I didn't mean to throw that! Okay, so, I'm not gonna be talking too much, because I'm gonna be, very silent, because I gotta concentrate, because I'm probably gonna die here, so, yeah. I need to concentrate on the game.
Enemy attack dogs near your position. Be advised, they are carrying explosives. Enemy choppers are transporting armored divisions to the area. Recommend you switch to heavy weapons.
Well,
Clear is picking up heat
my weapons are basically heavy. I mean, our shotgun's like a heavy weapon. Now that you think about it, only like up close, but like far away, which I'm probably gonna be really far away from. Ooh, I don't even have any flashbangs either, else it's gonna be bad. Ooh, I think I did like a crap ton of damage to him, I think. Ooh, you see that? I'm just like bam, 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 spamming the trigger. Oh god. Oh god. Ooh, dogger. Ooh, they're starting to drop shotguns now, so that's good. So I can always get a shotgun. Oh god. This guy gotta use this. Oh, got him. I got him. Run. I got him. Run. Run for your life. Run, donkey, run. Don't judge me.
They're falling back. Check equipment and ammo.
Photosynthesis. Well, hey everybody, I'm gonna quit this episode here and stay tuned for the next well, today is Thursday right now, so probably Friday I will upload this and the second video. So actually tonight this video will upload. So I'll see you guys next time, and remember, like if you like it and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.